And then mushroom growing is becoming interesting. This is the most interesting part. Look at this. This is king oyster mushrooms, made 13th Feb 2024, 13th Feb 2024. All these bottles were made 13th February 2024. And look at how they are colonizing. Look at how fuzzy this one is. It is so exciting. This makes me happy. This makes my day. Look at this bottle. Today is 18th. So within 5 days, this is how the colonization has happened. And this is king oyster. When it comes to pearl oyster, look at how they look like. Pearl oysters, made 13th February 2024. This is so interesting. I love every bit of what I'm sewing, every bit of what I'm seeing. And guess what? Made by the girls. This makes me happy. Woo! Honestly, name